Hey everyone, Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm. Okay, last week we put in the Painter's Rose collection from Camille Pissarro, and it's amazing. They're not blooming, it's way too early for that. But in front of that, we're going to put a next set of roses. Now, remember the roses that we planted are full of color, yellows, the reds, stripes. I mean, it's really amazing. And do I want to plant something that's going to have tons of color like that? No. I'm going to plant, and the hint is behind me, the red door, are Meet Petites. These are so cute. They go 18 inches. Some people said online that it'll go 2 feet, kind of, which is great because the other roses in the background go up to 4 feet. And they spread 2 foot. And they are known to be fire engine, non-stop roses. And these are out of the knockout roses. So you know how they bloom non-stop from spring to fall. And so these will look amazing. It'll be the constant red color that will bring the door and the well house together along with the roses behind it. So let me show you how I'm going to plant them. Okay, you know how I always say when you put a hedge in, and these are very small roses, so you have to be pretty accurate. It's a hedge. You always take the distance from the house or whatever it is and measure exactly. But with these architectural hardscape, they're not the same distance. So I am putting them so they'll be in a straight line, but maybe they'll be 5 inches apart. I'm hoping with enough fertilizer later on that they'll even spread a little better. But they'll go in between the hardscape. So, and it's very important when there's not such a big span that I measure exact between. All right, as you can see, I used a 2x4 to make sure they're in line, because since it's a perfect hedge and it doesn't get very wide, you want them the exact same. So, and I'm putting them roughly a foot apart. So basically the fun part begins. I get to dig. Where's my daughter? All right, let's talk about putting these roses in. It's still going to be very cold. There's going to be a lot of rain. Do I want to give fertilizer from the top to the growth of the top? No, I don't. I actually do some a little different. I put compost on the bottom because I want the roots to actually grow into the ground, and then later on this spring I'll give it the regular rose food. But what I am going to do, since the Camille roses, Camille Pissarro, had that black dot fungi, I'm going to spray each one of them, because while they don't have them, I don't want it to spread. So let me put this in, and then I'll just go all the way through. Last thing I'm going to do, and I'm not going to feed them. Remember, it's too early to feed them. I'll feed them in a month or so, but I want their roots to grow, not the tops. But what I don't want to grow is the weeds. Remember, I have bachelor buds here, and I let them reseed. Amazing. All the seeds are in there. So I'm going to use a weed preventer. This one's only good for a few months. So every few months, I'm going to just sprinkle this. Okay, and I have sprayed them with a fungicide because our Camille Pissarro roses had the black spot. I sprayed them just so it didn't spread. And I'm going to check every week to make sure nothing's growing, basically a fungicide. Now, am I going to prune them? In about a month, because I really want these to push out. And if you know about the knockout roses, Oh my gosh, they're amazing. They're great for decorating your food as well. You could see that at Taylor and Stefan, Cooking with Taylor and Stefan. I'm worn out. There's a lot of holes I've dug. Please subscribe, like, and share. Have a great day.